Hey guys, we're back on the trail. We're gonna visit Coba Arch today via Hidden Meadows Trail. It's located in Thousand Oaks, California, and I think it's an out and back trail.
Yes, and this trail is approximately 4.2 miles with 760-foot elevation gain. And we are going to Coba Arch, as Jaime said, and it's actually this arch that overlooks Conejo Valley, so it's gonna be really fun.
And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you're coming back, thank you a lot. And we're gonna continue our picking up trash on the trails like we always do.
Yes.
Hopefully we don't find any, but we usually do.
Oh, and Grandma Sue's here with us today.
Oh yeah, she's back there. There she is.
She's repping High Cup today.
Yeah, we're coming up, so if you guys want to get a hat or something, let us know.
Latest. Here at the start of the trail is the Hidden Meadows Trailhead, and there's also a sign that says dogs are welcome as long as they're on a leash. So this trail leads to Coba Arch, which is a rock formation in the shape of an arch, and there's actually different ways to access it. The path we're taking isn't on all trails that we know of anyways, but there's a trail on the app named Secret Passage to Simi Peak via Rabbit Ridge Trail. That path is classified as hard since it's a bit longer with a lot more elevation gain. So far the trail we're on is well maintained and straightforward. This trailhead is located in a residential area on a cul-de-sac. We'll make sure to include the address in the description box for you guys.
Fun fact, the city once was a stagecoach stop in 1874 when it was also known as the Conejo Valley. We're here early morning on the trail and we've come across some folks, but it hasn't been bad at all. It's mostly a moderate traffic trail.
You guys, I think this is the biggest beetle I've ever come across so far.
Coba Arch is about a mile from Simi Peak, so you can make an extra stop if you like. We actually recorded that trail in Simi Peak from China Flats. If you'd like to check that out, you'll see the link come up on the screen right now. At this split, we come behind this sign and we'll make a right to Sandstone Hills Trail.
So far the incline has been gradual. Most of the elevation gain will be on the back end.
Sandstone Hills Trail is a fun trail to explore since there's a ton of awesome rock formations and some small caves. As you can see, we're starting to climb a bit, so you can feel the burn in the legs and in the glutes. If you're new to hiking or working out, this back section may feel a bit difficult. It's a beautiful fresh day with gorgeous clouds. It can get pretty hot out here during the summer, especially during midday, so don't forget to check the weather app before you head out here.
At this split, we'll take the path on the left. If you were to continue straight, it actually leads out to a residential area, and then the trail you would have completed is called Falling Star Lindero Loop. Up to this point, the trail has been pretty wide. Fortunately, we haven't come across much trash. Grandma Sue has joined us on many hikes, and having a friend join actually makes the hike go by faster. Solo hikes are cool too and very therapeutic, but as always, do your research and be prepared for anything. Do you find yourself hiking in groups or alone most often? Let us know in the comments. These sandstone hills make me feel like I'm on a different planet. At this tower, we reach a dead end, and off to the left is a lightly trekked secret passage. and this is where the fun begins. The trail gets narrow, steep, and very rocky.
This portion is definitely difficult, so keep that in mind. If you don't feel comfortable climbing this section, there's no shame in trying again on a different day. But if you want to carry on forward, just take your time. You'll notice a ton of yellow wildflowers, and you'll start to hear a bunch of bees. Trek with caution. If you have bad knees, this portion might be a problem for you, since it's pretty steep. We're starting to come across other hikers as the closer we get to the arch.
So here we've come to a split with 3 paths. We'll be making a left. The right path leads to Simi Peak, and the middle path is a longer roundabout way to Coba Arch. Here we'll keep left and climb up these cool rocks.
Look at these views. We can peek the arch from this point. Let's keep going. And we found it. Alright guys, we made it to the end. It's really nice up here. The views are awesome. You can see the whole valley. The only thing is, at the end of the trail, you will feel the elevation. It's pretty steep.
Yeah, it's a lot of climbing over rocks. And right now, because it's springtime, there's a lot of wildflowers, and the bees are very heavy and part of that climb.
Yeah, there's a lot of flowers coming up here, so like the bees are trying to pollinate all of that. So you got to be careful with the bees if you're allergic. But besides that, there's no other bugs. It was really good. I mean, we really recommend it coming up here.
Yeah, and it was moderately trafficked. There's like a little secret passage that even takes you up to Simi Peak if you wanted to venture off and do that. A lot of rock formations, really cool. You can see a lot of different shapes in the rocks, so it's a lot of fun. I liked it.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys like the hidden arch.
And just respect the trail, respect the area, leave it how you found it, and
so that really means pick up your trash.
and don't leave things behind.
Yes. But either way, we really recommend it. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thank you for all the subscribers that always come back. If you guys want to see a trail, leave it in the comments and leave a like, and we'll see you guys next time.
Later.